Dear student, good morning. Welcome to online class Presidency School, Patna. Myself Rajan Kumar. I am going to teach you class 8 English language. Today's we have to study about the sentence. This is the first chapter of class 8. This is your book of class 8. First chapter, the sentence. Today's we have to discuss about the sentences. It means first chapter. Sentence. Sentence contains three words. First, S. S means subject. Second, verb. V for verb. And third, object. O for object. It means these three words meets and makes a complete sense. That is called sentence. After this, we will see sentence also contains subject, a subject and a predicate. Subject is for subject or P for predicate. Now we see the definition of the subject, sentence. Sentence is a group of words. Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense is called sentence. It means sentence is a completely group of words that makes a complete sense, that is called sentence. Now we see every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with full stop, question mark or an exclamation marks. It means sentence begins with every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or question mark or marks of exclamation. You can see on the whiteboard the symbol of full stop, symbol of question mark and symbol of marks of exclamation. It means exclamation marks. Now we see every sentence has a subject and a predicate. It means every sentence contains two parts. It means every sentence divided into two parts. First subject and second predicate. First subject and second predicate. Like example, girls are practicing for the annual function. This is a sentence. Girls are practicing for the annual function. Here is two parts of sentence. First, girls and second are practicing for the annual function. Girls is a subject and are practicing for the annual function is a predicate. Why we call girls is a subject? Because we can say subject is a doer of action in a sentence. Girls is a doer of action in a sentence, so girls is a subject and predicate also contain a verb and an object. Second, do you believe in God? Here is a two sentence. Do you believe in a God? You subject and rest part of the sentence is predicate. Subject and predicate. Now we discuss about the subject and predicate. Subject. Just I say you doer of an action in a sentence is called subject. Second, predicate. It is a part of sentence in which include verb and an object. It means predicate is a part of sentence in which include a verb and an object. Now we discuss about the example. Example, birds fly. Here is birds subject and fly object. Second, birds fly in the sky. Birds is a subject and fly in the sky is predicate. Second, walking is good for health. Walking is a subject, is good for health is a predicate. Second, next, the poor girls sat in the corner. The poor girl is a subject and sat in a corner is a object.